This what happens today is gun, build tema. Pretty much straightforward. And I'm going to connect it with this. Oh, this was good. So this was my second try. On this one, that one. I obviously drove a little bit too slow. I mean, still it doesn't look bad. It's just like you can feel it's a bit fast. And on this one, I drove with a little bit less speed on the drill and a little bit faster moving the gun. And this is what I got. I mean, it's just like perfect. After 40 centimeters of experimenting. Imagine if I've been doing that for like a couple of meters. Like, buy one of these extra. They're like 39 crowns. Train on a surface. And you end up a pro. A bro pro.